DJI MIMO app AI Editor. The DJI MIMO app is integrated with powerful video editing functions, providing users with automatic music and video templates to create cinematic videos in just a few taps. Launch the DJI MIMO app, tap AI Editor, and select the video clips you want in the video. The app will automatically match the clips with suitable templates for editing. Tap Edit to enter the editing page, where you can tap to playback the video, tap to pause, pinch or move the picture in the frame to adjust composition, and drag the timeline to change the selected portion of the clip. Tap Check and return to the editing page. Tap Switch to select one of many templates for the video. Tap Filter to switch the video filter to suit your style. Go to the end of the video and match it with a cool end card. Tap Custom to edit the end card. After selecting your end card, tap Done to save or share your creation. Hit the like button if this tutorial was helpful. If you need any support with your DJI gear, feel free to contact us via Facebook Messenger by following the link in the description. Thank you for watching.